The oven is on at 325. I've greased a pan, and I've estimated that's about a half a cup of peanut butter. And today we're making a Depression era recipe. It doesn't use any eggs, and it's peanut butter bread. First thing I'm adding is 1/4 cup of sugar. And we need milk. So we need 1 1/4 cups of milk. Then we do the 1/4 cup. Whoops. That's where 1 cup is. And I'm going to whisk that. Which is kind of hard. Ooh, I'm splashing everywhere. Well, I whisked that pretty good, so now I've changed to a spoon. And we need 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Oops. I'm going to sit that in there. Might need to whisk that too. There, I think that's got all, that's pretty smooth. And we need 2 cups of flour. I hope the cup will fit in there. Oh, it will. Okay. Okay, it's all mixed up. Now I guess we put it in the pan. It's quite a thick batter. I hope this works right. This bowl is heavy. Ooh, gotta take a rest. Well, it's ready to go in the oven for around 50 minutes. So, and the oven is preheated to 325. There it is. I'm looking forward to having some a bit later. And since it's peanut butter, I guess I could have jam on it or honey. Let's better wait till it cools. Looks good. Well, the first piece was really good. I'm going to have one more. But this time I'm going to try some of my honey on it. Peanut butter and honey. Oh, it's wonderful. Doesn't that look good?